Hey guys, this is Isam Esper. I'm from the support team of Electro Industries, and today we will talk about how you can set up the alarm and notification email for the Shark 200. So to do that, we have to go to the web page of the meter. So I will type the IP address of my Shark 200 meter here. On this page, I will go to information, as you can see here, then email notification. So the first type is to set up the email server. And you can do that by using the URL or the IP, as you can see here. So I will type our server IP address. And then the server port. If your server requires an authentication, you can hit yes here, and then you put the username and the password. Then I will hit next. And then here I can choose the events I want to get an email about them. And there are two options for these events. If you click once, you will get a black dot there, and that means this event is considered as a notification. So the notification email will be sent in a period of time. We will show that later. If you click again on the same event, it would switch to red, and that means this event is considered as an alarm. And the alarm will be sent in a 1-minute window, as you can see here. So you can pick up here which events you want to consider as a notification and which one is a limit. You have also the waveform capture option. If you have that on the email, you can choose it here. Then I will hit next. And the next tab is to set the alarm email. So you can start with like it's coming from whom, going to who, to, and what is the subject. So from, it can be like the Shark, it shouldn't be a real email address, but it should be, the domain should be correct, like this example here. I will put shark200@electroind.com to my email address. And the subject can be Shark200 alarm. And you can add an also CC. Then you have to choose what information you want to get in the email, like maybe the meter name, the voltage, the frequency, and how you want to get that email, like just to view the data there, or you can get it as an XML or as an CSV. And then you hit next, and you will get the other tab for the notification email, and it's exactly the same as in the alarm, but you have to set it again. So shark200@electroind.com. Then you can change the subject here for shark200 notification. And CC. And the same way you have to choose what kind of information, yeah, like meter name, maybe the current or the power. So the notification email, we said that it would be sent in a period of time. And here where you can set that time. So you can get it every 5 minutes or maybe after or every 30 minutes. And you have the option also to enforce that notification email. And that means that you will still get a notification email, in this case, every 30 minutes. Either there's nothing happened like on these events, like, so you have that options to keep getting a notification email every period, every 30 minutes or every 10 minutes. Then at the last point, we have to put the password for changes. To find the password, you can go to the user manual for Shark200, and you can find that in our website, electroind.com. On the home page, you go to support here and hit downloads. On the downloads page, you can find the Shark200 and go to the user manual. And you can go to the page number 169 on the user manual. At the end of the page, you can find the change password, which is here. So I will go back to that one and type the password. And hit submit. Then you have to reboot the meter. So once the rebooting done, you get back to the home page and you go to information here to check that the changes is correct happening. You go back to email notification, and then you can see that the server settings is here and everything we choose is correct. So there's one more thing I want to share with you guys, that to make this email working, either the alarm or the notification, there is one option we have to enable at the profile of the meter. So we have to make sure that the alarm notification email is enabled for that network card on the SHA 200. And to do that, we have to use the software called Communicator EXT. So if you are on the same downloads page on our website, you can choose software downloads here. And you can find the Communicator EXT application for. You can download it from this link here for free. So once you get the setup file and install the software, you will get the Communicator EXT. And you can connect to the meter using this icon here. So in this case, I'm connecting through the Ethernet port, so I have to choose network here, and I will type the IP address of my meter, which is 10.00.20. Hit connect, and once you are connected, you will get the device status window here pop up. This window will show you the name, the model number, and the serial number, and on the right side, you can see the firmware version information. So you can hit OK and go to profile. It's the first item here on the left. And on the device profile window, you go to option card. So the Shark 200 has two option cards. So in my case, the network card at option card 1, you can see option card 1, com, network, and then you go to services and security and make sure that the email alarm notification is enabled. So if it was unchecked, you can check it and then hit update device to upload these settings to the meter. Thank you for watching.